from week 3 or 4. And I'm done with 5 of them.
Hello, today we'll be doing Marvel
Yeah, that's
You need to do 5 more. I
Start.
got it by hacking 5 Iron Man robots.
Oh, you just hack 5 Iron Man robots and you're done?
Okay, my friends, to see the traffic.
No, that's one challenge. You need to do like 5 more.
Let me
Oh,
go.
okay. So wait, I have She-Hulk fist. What do you guys have?
God, I'm dead. I
Why
am
you're
dead. Let's go, Lord. Freaking go.
How are you dead?
I have horrible weapons. Whee!
No,
what do you have? You're
I'm
Wolverine.
not able to build. I'm not able to see what
I
weapon I have.
have.
Yeah, okay, so in this game you have to attack places and you have to stay there to conquer it.
Okay, come.
And other people can come in.
All of us go to B, okay? I have Iron Man.
B, okay, yeah, I'm going B.
Yeah, oh, tons of people are going to be. That's okay, it's okay. Wait, I need, a guy already. No, our bots have taken most of it. Oh, there's a guy here.
Yo, how do you stop building, da? I only am able to build. I'm not able to do anything else.
I have horrible weapons now.
Oh my god, I died already. Now I have to respawn in 10 seconds only. Oh my god. I died by some food.
Yo, Supreme, Starfic, after you start building, how do you go to the original place?
Oh, go to A.
A,
Yeah.
hello,
Dude, I have
Supreme,
no idea.
hello.
Yeah,
It's
do
not
Satvik
da.
Supreme, hello.
Yeah, what? Tell no.
I'm not able to do anything except build, man. I need help.
Try clicking on your.
Dude, Supreme, I'm dying. By some kid, just help me, no? Oh, there's another guy with you. I'm coming to you. Dude, if we just stick together, we'll win, bro. Oh, these guys have already gone.
I understood how to stop building.
No, I died. We are 6% or 9%. He's gone. So where should I land? Tell someone first.
I really don't want these.
So I have Bramble. I have Bramble.
I need some close range weapon da. This stupid Iron Man's gauntlets don't work.
What the heck? You have Iron Man gauntlets and you're telling me to do. You give it to me.
It's so bad, dude. Yeah, I'll drop it for you. I don't know how to drop it. You can't drop.
Partha Dragon. That's stupid.
Part Dragon, Is that actually?
Yeah, that's the other guy. No, that's other guy.
I know, I was just kidding.
Wait, bro, there are people coming.
You capture C.
Oh, there's a guy.
Capture C. Come to C, nobody
Right.
there.
Oh my god.
One second, that's
Trying to find better weapons. I'm gliding in the air, dude.
It's a give me something there.
And I'm finding silver stuff. I'm taking silver stuff.
Yes. Kill these kids. Cause I got Doom, son. You're Doom.
Oh god, we need to go to the new area, da. Surya, is it possible for you to come?
Oh no, there's a plane
dead.
No, dude, somebody's taking our place. No, don't take it. No,
Are you
react?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm strong.
He's fortifying the.
Dude, reactor D, I was protecting it for so long. And this is what you give me? Oh, you're dead, son. You're dead.
I have Black Panther and Iron Man.
Dude,
I'm capturing D.
I know, I see you.
found Venom's ability.
I have two
Hogger.
abilities. How many abilities do you have?
I have 4.
Cool. 4. Hey, then I have 3. If you're talking about 4.
Anirudh, we have Iron Man mythic. That's it, okay? Look at me, I'm dying with these green stuff.
Green stuff.
Great. Oh, yeah, I'm going. What's the time? It's fun, bro. Wait, Anirudh, drop me the Iron Man, no, please. Please, Iron Man.
It's not possible. You can't drop in this game.
You can't drop. I can drop. Look, I can drop. Dude, Anirudh, come here. Anirudh,
drop,
please. Dude, Anirudh, come here, please. Just stay here for 1 second. No, why, Anirudh? Why?
Okay, take Iron Man for the fellow.
Oh, okay, wait. Wait, I can't. Yeah.
I have Wolverine.
Yeah.
Yoda, you didn't tell me you had Wolverine.
Yeah, even I had. Okay, Partha Dagran is doing good. He's doing really good.
Probably part.
I just hate randomly and so good at that.
Why am I alone?
Oh, no. Wait, boss, please, I'm gonna help him out. Because I was in reactor. Oh, there is 1%. No. 1. Come on, respawn. Yes, Percy, you're in the air.
I'm here. I'm better. This
Go to J.
I
just
died.
randomly shooting at people.
Dude, that is Groot thing with the Thor shape. That guy is too good. Come on. Okay,
Dude, this Parth Advani guy, he's dying. I mean, Parth Dragon. He's dying in Storm.
Where are you?
I really need some better weapon. I can't have this horrible one. I really don't want this. Dude, Surya.
Where did
Can you?
that?
I want Wolverine. No.
I don't have Wolverine. Wait, there's a guy you have been trolling. He's very good. Oh no, he's capturing James.
He's on white. He's white. He's white. Okay, yeah, he just dead. I found Wolverine.
Case gone. Anurag, what are you doing here? Kill him.
will you give me? Okay, then first let's capture L. Only if you capture L, I'll give. Okay, Kiran, come. Come. You drop first. You drop. I also don't know how to draw. Yo, I saw a guy who has this thing. Well, everybody's going to sign out. Sign everybody. Oh, second. Are, so thank you, bye, and subscribe.